tasted so nice. Treat me like I'm your girlfriend, only for this one night. Babe, I know how to touch you where that pleasure belongs. Can you feel my hands?
Okay, sound check 1 2. Good evening, everybody. Has come another week of analysis. Last week has been working pretty well. For all the drawn liquidity has been hit from the buy side to the sell side. Okay, so moving on next, let's start from the economic calendar first. So the economic calendar, Monday we have actually nothing. Tuesday we have jobs opening. Next we have the Australian CPI, US dollar ADP. The reason being, I think there is not NFP, yeah. Okay, so basically we have a NFP, and also we have the FOMC statement coming up on the Thursday as well. So Tuesday onwards we have a very heavy news all the way until Friday. So try to risk less for the week, because the analysis is coming up next. Okay, so stay tuned. So let me remove all this. Remember, like how we mentioned all the drawn liquidities that we have been marked out right here and from the daily. Okay, basically we have this weekly fair value gap. The price is actually responding to the unmitigated daily fair value gap right here, and then we actually have a shift right here, and also currently we are facing a challenge, a ping pong in between this range. Let me remove this first. Okay, so we are actually in a dilemma on this in between this range. So either price could do two things. Is the first is give me a second. We have this drawn liquidity. Okay, so we have a, I would say, a CIST or shift. Okay, we have a daily fair value gap. Okay, so basically we have a daily fair value gap, break above the previous high that made the low. Okay, so after it break, we are expecting a price to have some sort of reaction from here. So if the price successfully fail to break this low, then it should be good to go. Otherwise, it will be a break and retest in this line. Okay, so basically that would be all my analysis on the DXY dollar index. Let me have a quick screenshot again regarding this. Okay, on this DXY. Okay, so apart from it, okay, moving on next on gold. So basically the price that mark out for three drawn liquidity, 1 2 3 4, we have these four. All of the target has been met. The price failed to break above this and it went continue lower. I believe the DXY should continue higher as well. So yeah, we just react accordingly. So the next target will be aiming this low, but despite how the price looking at it right now, it should be a retest somewhere around this zone before continuing lower, or this zone. Okay, let me remove this. Very beautifully done place in between this zone on this protected low holds, and it should be a continuation or break and retest, break and retest, and continue all the way up here. Okay, in between this range. Okay, moving on next on euro. Yep, indeed the price just break and retest in the range and just continuing going higher, and we are actually looking a little bit of premium kind of resistance. I'm not really sure, but I looking forward this something this could happen actually. Give me a second. Okay, we are actually looking for this stretch. We break, otherwise it could be continuing higher. Okay, USD. Okay, moving on next on GBP USD. Okay, a very beautiful one. After tap into the weekly fair value gap, the high has been created, break of this low, and we have this BPR mitigated and expanded lower. Okay, as we expected, the price could just continue going lower. Yes, this is what we are looking for, and we'll see. This could be a continuation work in between this.
Crazy how you got me so in love. Crazy how you put your hands on me. Baby, do you realize how
Okay.
special you are?
Moving on next, Australian US dollar. The same thing. The major drawn liquidity has been tapped. This high was taken out, but it didn't break lower. So we are actually looking for further bearish movement on regarding this a sweep, a break, and yeah. Let me have a look.
This could be a perfect love story. Let me give this love to you. You just have to let love get through. You just have to hold me through. Let me give this love to you. Do you feel like I feel? Do you want it like I do? Baby, this is just a love story, a love story.
This is a bit tricky somehow.
First time we met, I know
yeah, probably will be about the same thing as well. This failed to expand. For our tap, there's a sweep, sweep and break, expansion lower.
Wonder where this love will take us together.
Yeah, I think this range will be the decision on it. Break.
Cause everyone's know that our love will never fade.
Or a retest higher
Let me give this
continuation
love to
upwards. Okay.
you. You just have to let love get through. You just have to hold me through. Let me give this love to you. Do you feel like I feel? Do you want it like I do? Baby, this is just our love story, my love story.
So basically, it's also the same thing as the Australian dollar.
Drive me crazy. Feel the rush.
Okay, how we drew right here, the break and retest and continuation higher. It hit all the way up, and currently we have the break of the low, a sweep from the high, the previous high, and then continuing lower. Currently we are facing some sort of resistance on from the selling pressure, and we'll see how these two range will be a break, a respecting bearish or a break high thing. Okay, so basically that will be all for the major. Let me have a quick review on the Bitcoin. Okay, a very beautiful one after tap into the weekly fair value gap, and we have some response or rejecting higher. Okay, but unfortunately we are still in the range, but if this low still fail to hold, then it should be going this low or this low for a deeper retracement, but I wouldn't wish to see that, despite I want it to be a continuation bullish. Okay, so Ethereum next. The next draw liquidity definitely is the 4.1k, and the next one will be the next is all-time high. Okay, this is the main two thing. But where will it be going? We'll be seeing this touch wood, that deep kind of retracement. I wouldn't want it to came back, but there is a chance that this week close and sweep all the way down here, and then before continuing pump towards the another high. Okay, let me see if dump to this low, the price is going to be 3,500. Let's make it 3,510 to a different broker price or whatsoever. Moving on, next on Solana, we have hit the previous monthly high and started rejecting off, down from, I think, from a top to down we have this about 10% dump after sweeping off the previous monthly high. Okay, ADA also the same thing. AVAX, previous monthly high is not tapped, but our analysis has been going very well. SUI also previous monthly high tap. TRX, a very beautiful one. The next one is going to be the previous weekly high and their all-time high. Okay, ton, I think not much, still in a huge range, but there is a good sign that the previous, I think that this is the previous monthly high. Yes, the previous monthly high is also tapped. Yeah, it's working pretty well, I would say so. Okay, BNB, very nice. We have the new all-time high. Very well. BNB hit the all-time high. XRP, same thing as well. It exploded to $1 level. Very well. This is almost a tap for expansion higher. This could be an observance.
Don't just stand and watch me. Baby, I've told you before. I want
Not
it,
too
I
bad.
need it.
Okay, everything working still pretty well. Booming coin has been wrecked, like selling off everything from here until now. It's another how many percent fall? Well, 85% more down. It's kind of bad, to be honest. But overall, still healthy. Top 10, done it well. Dot, nothing much. Matic, Link. Okay, we have Link. We have some response. OP has been wrecked as well. Shiba Inu, okay, in a range, but there is a healthy sign retracement. Let's see if it could go continue higher or not. I think that would be all for the majors and crypto. JUL and pounds and yen. Okay, even 4 hour is also ranging very badly. Like just playing along, down, but not that full, down. They took a handbrake on it. Okay, this one as well. This one as well. Nothing too interesting on this. EJ. Okay, here's something interesting. Looks like EJ is going towards the all-time high against the Japanese yen. I think this might work too. A continuation bullish towards this all-time high. Okay, yen. I think it should be a downfall for a while. Down here. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all for the analysis for the night. I wish everyone have a good night and also treat safe tomorrow onwards. There is nothing much. There is no news and it's an NFP week. I hope everyone is trading safely. Okay, so I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye bye.